Morning, I am Riji, Associate Professor, Department of ECE. Today we are going to see about different types of sensors. Different types of sensors. On completion of topic, students can understand the basics of different types of sensor. There are different more sensors are used for designed to detect physical properties. There are some common sensors, temperature sensors measure the amount of heat energy or even coldness that is generated by an object or system, allowing us to sense or detect any physical changes to their temperature. Common example of thermocouple and thermistor. Proximity sensor detect the presence or absence of object or any physical movement, that is vicinity without any physical contact. They are used in smartphone, car and industrial application. Accelerometer measure the acceleration force in meter per second square or gram that is acting on an object. They are used in smartphone for orientation reduction in vehicle, dynamic control system and various consumer application. Light sensor detect the amount of light that is present on the environment. Photocell and photodiode are the example used in device for automatic lighting system and smartphone brightness adjustment. Pressure sensor measure the force applied by a liquid or gas on the surface. They are used in weather instrumentation, aircraft, automobile or any system where pressure monitoring crucial. Humidity sensor measure the amount of water vapor in air. They are commonly used in weather station, HVAC and in environment where humidity control is necessary. Infrared sensor detect infrared radiation emitted from object. They are widely using night vision device, thermometer and proximity sensor. Ultrasonic sensor use sound wave to detect the distance of the object. These sensors will commonly used in automatic parking and robotic obstacle reduction system. Gas sensor detect the presence of gas in the atmosphere. They are used in safety system like smoke and carbon monoxide detector. Magnetic sensor detect the changes in magnetic field. They are used in compass module, speed sensing and various industrial application. So from this topic, students can easily understand how these different types of sensors are used in different application. In most of the thing we will use everywhere, we will use sensors. Start from your mobile phone till today, the electronics application, several types of sensors can be used. These sensors will monitor this value. From that value, we can identify whether the amount of content like humidity sensor, like amount of water vapor present in air. Then pressure sensor will find out the amount of pressure, temperature, amount of heat. Like that, all the sensors are used for some specific application. From that one, we will get the output for the defined values. And when we are using these different types of sensors, not alone more than 100 or 1000 sensors are available which we are used in specific purpose and application. Which sensor is used to detect motion? Motion sensor. That is, here we are using this proximity sensor. An ultrasonic sensor measure distance using electrical resistance, infrared wave, sound wave, ultrasonic sensor. So ultrasonic is nothing but here you are going to measure the distance of an object using what material it's. So these are about the assessment question, what students want to know about these different types of sensors. And if you see these sensors in IoT, so most of the sensors are used for some specific applications. And if you see in industrial application, high-end sensors can be also used. Thank you.